Today on Impress the Wife, we're making pan fried noodles with pork and shrimp. Stay tuned. You're in for a treat. Join me as I push myself to the limits of discovering and mastering the secrets of the kitchen and to ultimately impress the wife. Husbands, gather up. Here's the list of the ingredients that you will need. When shopping for the noodles, look for the variety specifically made for pan frying. Here's what Chinese broccoli looks like for those of you who aren't familiar. If you can't find it, you can substitute bok choy. Start a blanching pot deep enough for the noodles to be cooked in. Meanwhile, marinate a thinly sliced pork belly with sugar and soy sauce. Set aside. Now we move on to the noodles. Blanch the noodles for 30 seconds to a minute. It doesn't need more than that or the noodles might turn mushy. Rinse with water until it cools down. Pat dry with paper towel. Make sure to remove as much water as you can. This will make your life easier later. Heat up oil in a non-stick pan, about 5 tablespoons. It might look too much, but it helps to keep the noodles from sticking from the pan and helps with the browning. Also, it won't feel oily when you eat it, I promise. The pan should be really hot before you put the noodles in. Once you see the bottom turning golden brown, carefully flip the noodles and reveal the crispy surface that you've worked hard for. Do the same with the other side. At this point, add the salt and chicken powder. The powder is optional. The shallot oil. If you need a tutorial on how to make the shallot oil, please check out episode 1. And finally, black pepper. Stir the noodles before transferring to a plate. Now, we are going to blanch Chinese broccoli, cabbage, and the shrimp. Once the Chinese broccoli is cooked, place it over the noodles. For the cabbage and shrimp, blanch for a maximum of 30 seconds. Once everything is ready for the sauce, let's start. Heat up 2 tablespoons of oil, then saute the pork belly. Stir in the onion until soft. Then the garlic. Add the sesame oil. Followed by the carrots, cabbage, green onion, and shrimp. Add a cup and a half of water. Season with oyster sauce, soy sauce, and more shallot oil. Crack an egg and gently pour it in while stirring at the same time. Thicken with cornstarch slurry. Adjust seasoning if needed. Finally, pour the sauce over the noodles like this. Then just garnish with a couple of cilantro leaves and there it is. Chinese restaurant at the comfort of your home. Oops, don't forget the shallot oil. I just love this. And that is it, folks. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Please give this video a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my channel to get notifications on upcoming videos or recipes. Until then, see you next time.